Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Airbnb. So currently everything here is on dollars, right? And to change this currency, for example, let me just go to the home page and show you, right? All you do is come here at the bottom, you start scrolling down and you'll see the dollar sign with USD, right? This is the default currency for my location. Probably will be something else in your place. Maybe if you're in the UK, it will be a different currency, right? So I just come here and I choose a different currency. So I can choose, let's say, Euro or Indian rupees, right? Qatari Riyal. Can choose any currency right here. Let's say I want to go ahead and use the Japanese yen. So I'll just come and tap on this. So everything will change right here, as you can see. Currency equals JPY. There we go. Everything now is in Japanese yen. Really that easy and simple.